Hey guys, welcome to day 44 of Code Forces Every Day until GM. Bit of unfortunate news. If y'all were keeping track of my series, as I'm sure that's what y'all are here for, right? To keep track of my Code Forces journey. We may have missed a day. Yeah. Yesterday there was no video. We missed a day. Y'all may have been wondering why. We did 44 days in a row, and we broke on day 45. Well, for y'all, since I started this series one day earlier, we did 43 days in a row, and we lost on day 44. Gonna keep going though, cause the idea is to build a habit, and eventually I was gonna break the streak somehow. But yeah, okay, y'all want to know what happened, right? So yesterday, I had a test. Spent the whole day before pulling an all-nighter studying for this test. So I did my Code Forces Everyday video pretty late, actually. That day, I think it was later in the day. I don't remember the exact time. But after that, I was basically just studying the whole time. It was a history test, a lot of dates, a lot of BS. Made me very tired. And normally when I pull an all-nighter, I drink at least one energy drink, like a Red Bull, a Monster, or something. Didn't have any this time, so I just raw dogged it. I thought I was gonna be okay, and I was okay. I took my test. I think I did fine. But the thing is, right after the test, I was like, I am very fucking tired. It was like two. The test started at 2:20. So I was up from. When did I even wake up? I don't know. My sleep schedule was really weird. So I think I woke up at like 4 or 5 in the morning the day previous and went all the way to the test ended at the test is supposed to be an hour 15 minutes long. I didn't even use that much time. I used maybe half the time. So basically let's just say around 3. I stayed up from 4 in the morning to 3, so 24 hours basically. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna sleep. Too tired to do Code Forces. My brain is not gonna work. So I'm gonna sleep. And I slept. And I slept. And I woke up around dinner time. But I was like, okay, I should get up and do my Code Forces. But I was still so tired. So I kept sleeping, and I slept, and I slept, and I slept, and the next time I woke up, it was 12:40, and I missed the dime. I overslept, guys. I'm sorry, I overslept. So 44 days in a row, and we miss a day. Hopefully, we can beat that record. Hopefully, I won't miss any more days until I hit GM. But things happen. I expected this to happen eventually. It's not going to become a habit. I promise. I won't go break 5 more days in a row or something. One day is enough, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. But yeah, damn it! It's always school that gets in the way of my greatness. It feels like there's always something I'm focused on, always some hobby that I'm trying to get better at. And then school's just there in the way to cut off half of my day every day. It's terrible. I hate it. But it is what it is. And without further ado, let's just jump straight into problem solving. As y'all can see, last time I said I was going to reformat the questions. I didn't even get to that. Maybe I have a birthday party to go to later today, so, and I'm pretty tired right now too, low-key. I might do this video, shower. No, I'll do this video, I'll take a nap, and then I'll shower, and then I'll go to the birthday party. It's in 3 hours though. I'm not even gonna have enough time to nap. Okay, whatever. Let's just do problems. Unfortunate week. What an unfortunate week. But I brought it on myself. My sleep schedule is whack as fuck. I should fix it. Don't tell me Code Forces is down right as I want to work on it. Hello? Code Forces? Code Forces? Nah, say you swear. Ah. Okay. Change of plans, I guess. We're recording episode. It's been a while since we did CSES. Okay, day 7 of CSES Problem Set. Maybe I'll do a Code Forces when it comes back up. Like, God, really? Okay. CSES Problem Set Day 7. Gray code. You know, good to always have a backup. Like, you would think a competitive coding program can code a website. I can code a website. I've coded a website. Like, I get it's old, but like, maybe it's time to do an overhaul, you know? Okay, we are gonna do CSES today, I guess. Let me just change my folder to the right one. Go like this and close these. Let's get started. Okay, gray code is a list of all 2 to the power of n strings with of length n, where any 2 successive strings differ in exactly 1 bit are either Hamming distance. What the fuck is a Hamming distance? Let's look that up. Hamming distance. A metric used in information theory and computer science to measure the difference between 2 strings, or... So is it just distance? Distance between 2 data collections is the number of positions. Hamming distance if A and B is 4. Is the number of positions at which corresponding elements are different. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. 1, 2, 2. Yeah, okay. So what does this have to do with our thing? A gray code is a list of 2n string lengths where strings of length n where any 2 successive strings differ in exactly 1 bit. Create a gray code, my bad, for a given length n. Input. The only input line has an integer n. Okay. N equals int input. Print 2 to the n lines that describe the gray code. Print any valid solution. Of all 2 to the n bit strings of length n. N is 2. Where any 2 successive strings differ by exactly 1 bit. Okay, this seems pretty straightforward. It's just a little confusing sounding. So a gray code is 2n bit string where any 2 serve only diff 1 bit. Right. Successive. That's important. where I plus 1 only diff 1 bit. Print any valid solution. Create a gray code. So for 0, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Oh, 1, 0. This differs by 2 bits, so it's 0, 1, 1, and then I need to see a pattern of how to do this. It feels like that's how you saw this. I need to see some sort of pattern of building this, and it looks like this like alternation kind of thing. So I will assume like our choices are like 0, 1, 1, and okay, our choices next is 0, 1, 1, and 0, and 1, 1, 1, right? Or 0, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. What can these turn into? Like this can go into 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, 1. Whereas this can go into 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this covers all bases, but which choice, like where can we go to from here? 1, 1, 1. What's the number? N is 3. 1, 0 is 4, right? 0, 1, 2. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 4. Wait, am I tripping? 0. This is 1. Oh, length N. Yeah, okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Of all 2 to the N. N is 2, so 4. This is all 4-bit strings of length N. So a list of all 8-bit strings of length 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are we missing? We're missing. And then 1, 0, 1. Oh, 1, 0. Is this all combinations? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then we got 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We got 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Because it's, wait, we can just count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How exactly do we order this? Oh, I feel like it's some bit like I formulate it something like can we start here, go here, 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 how do I get to the last two? So one from 111 we can go here, or here. But either way we can't go to the last one. So this isn't the correct way to go. What we can do is we go here, here, here. And then from this we go to this, and then this, and then this, and then this. This works. So it's 0, 1, 3, 2, 7, or 6, 6, 7. My bad. 5, 4. Plus 2, minus 1. Plus 3, minus 1. Plus 2, minus 1. Is this a pattern? Hold on a second. 0, 1, 3, 2. 0, 1, plus 2, minus 1. So, okay, so we can try for 4. And I'm not gonna write them all out again. All bit strings len 4. Let me copy. Hello? Control C. Control V. There we go. That should be all the bit strings linked for. So we go 0, 1. Okay, we go 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5. So theoretically it'd be plus 3 minus 1. Wait. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1. So this to this to this to this to this to this to wait, no. This is 2 or 3, 2, 6. This is 4, 6. Wait. Plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 2. Wait, did I fuck up this pattern? Wait, hold on. 0, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4. One. What's the pattern? One, 2 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 2, 1. Wait, hold on. Go here, go here, go here, go here, go here, go here, go 1, 1 here, go here. I'm so lost. I don't really understand the optimal generation. I like this pattern where it kind of staircases through. But can we do that with this? Go here, here, here. 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 Now, what? Now we go here, here, here. Now we go here, 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 here. That somehow worked out. So it seems like we have this pattern of growing wands. At first, and then next we have this pattern of when we hit the tip, go from here. Oh, we grow wands again. Here, 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 here. Wait, no. One, here, 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 okay, growing. Okay, so we have 3 steps. Growing ones. 1 growing ones. So this is like where the 1 is in front. So after that, here, 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 here. So we basically growing ones recursively until we hit the highest number. And then what? And then we, from this, we go to, so with growing ones, we hit here, 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 now here, here, here. Here. So we're left with covered, covered, this one, covered, this one, covered, covered, this one, covered. After we hit our highest, we go to here, here, here. What is the pattern here? We always take the first 4. It's not in a row though. Let's take a look. It's 1 jump, 2 jump, 2 jump, minus 1 jump, minus 1 jump, plus 4 jump, plus 1, 2, 4 jump. Okay. After the 4 jump, do a minus 2 jump, but over here I do a plus 1 jump. I did a minus 2 jump. I'd be at one I'd already been at before. there a better pattern? Hmm. One, two, one. What if we started with this? This. There's no way I'm on the right track. What is... What is this problem? is set up. Okay. I think. So this pattern repeats regardless of the size of the array. Zero zero 11110. Let's type this out. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. how do these relate? They start the same, like these overlap. Okay, what about n equals 4? If we start it the same way, it'd be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Right. Hold on a sec. Something ain't adding up. These match up, but these don't match up. What if I make them match up? So here, this one would be 1, 1, 1, 0. Like this, and then now what? Where do I go from here? We go 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. No. This 1. 1, 1, 1. Then we would have to go to 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. That it? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 24, 16. Okay, wait, so there is a pattern here. It's like where, look at that. So the previous number, is this a DP problem? The previous number fits inside of the next number nicely. So we should always start the same, basically. But what is this method called? It's like an inchworm. You take in the ones, and then you take the triple here. Why do you take the triple? This goes from... There's actually one more case we're missing here. Right. So dp. Would this be 2D array? dp is equal to times n 0, 1, 2, 3. To the power of okay. Base case is dp 0 is equal to it's a bit. I guess we could process it as a string, like 0, 1. So leading zeros don't disappear. Do I even need to do it like that? Can I use strings? Alright, okay, I think I might be able to get away with this. And then this. If I can't do this, I will do it the list way. It just feels messy. And then, okay, 4. Start at 2 for I in range 2n plus 1. What happens? So first so the next one, the first half of next one is basically the previous one with a 0 in front of it. So for I in range, oh no, no. No, no, okay, it has to be, I misinterpreted what I'm supposed to be doing here. So this has to be 0, this is the first output, and then this is the second output, and then we basically have to check I start out range 1. Plus 1. Then we do DPI. We go for for is there a way to what we can do is DPI equals 0 plus code for code in DPI minus 1 like this. Still not too used to using the list comprehension yet, but this should, okay, if I print DP, I enter 2, so no, we don't do plus 1 like this. Okay. Now, zero, one, 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 oh, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you look at this, we build this like kind of staircase up to like this previous, right? Like they build the same staircase. And this one has but there's a second staircase. How do I draw this? Okay, basically what I'm trying to say is this pattern repeats too. Like backwards almost. How does this work? Look at this. It's 1. Let me think. This. So after we add 0 to this, we are here. And this is 1, 0. It's 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 1, 0. So these repeat. The back will repeat, but it doesn't repeat for this case. This is just a base case. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. This one is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Here, where does it end here? So 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And then this part is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It's a duplicate. So the second half is the same as the first half. Is it? But the second half is the same as the last digit. Okay, what about the second to last digit? 0. This is the same as this. And this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. It's the same. No, I'm tripping. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Wait. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is a palindrome. These two are palindromes. This one is not a palindrome. This is 1, 1. Hold on. If I just ignore this line, this is all ones. This is all zeros. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, this is this flipped. This is this flipped. This is this flipped. So is it just the flip, but you add all ones in the front? Like, flip this and then blah 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 blah. I feel like I need to look at one more case. Let me get rid of all this mess. N equals 5. All bit strings len 5. There's 32 of them. I don't want to paste a chart. Can I not paste a chart? Okay, let me just figure it out. That's still a chart. That's still a chart. How many? I don't want to paste a chart. I do not want to paste a chart. Okay. We're at this. 0, 1, 2. Let's just build it manually, I guess. We know this should be a copy of this. And then what did we say? We add 0 to the front of all of them. Okay. Now we reverse it. And we add 1s in front of all of them. So 1, 1. Oh. Oh, what? Yeah, oh. 1, 1. Oh, 1. Yeah. Because all of these work. So backwards this would work too. And then we just add 1 in front of. But yeah. That makes so much sense. Because technically we can start printing from 1000 and all the way to 0. Yeah. Okay. I'm cooking. So now that we have all of them, four, code in temp equals dp 0 reversed. For code in temp dpi plus dot append zero plus code. Print dp negative 1. Zero, 1, 1, 0. That's not right. 1. There we go. 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 3 is broken. Why? Is 8. Three. Three. There's just n minus 1 here. Instead. Index out of range. Does it n? Am I tripping? Yeah, this seems right. Like this. And then we do 3. So we can delete this print statement. And then we can print dp negative 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this needs to be I minus 1. Good catch. 0, 1, 2, 3. This, this. Okay. So this should be working. So now we just for loop through, and we do for code in dp -1 print okay, test 4. Why does it want to print it out as a graph, man? They're just numbers. That worked. W checking. Yeah, that works. Let's submit it. And we got it. That took us an hour, basically. I don't know how long the rant was in front, but wow, that was a tricky problem. CSES questions really make you think. They're not like coding implementation heavy, but like you just gotta see a pattern. It's all ad hoc. Okay, the analysis, one way to create a gray code, use recursion. Suppose that we already have a list of strings which it's a gray code of length n-1. Using that, that's basically what we did. Yeah. Wow. What a difficult problem. Well, we got it. If y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll have time to record today's Code Forces Everyday video when the site is back up. Let's check if the site's back up. It is back up. Maybe I'll record it right after this. It's about 2 hours, so if I shower, then maybe I'll have enough time. We might only be able to do 1 or 2 problems though. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.